Growing up, I thought God created me to suffer and made my life difficult. Isipin nyo, 8 ang kapatid ko at yung mga magulang ko, maliit lang din naman ang kanilang kita. Kaya life became so challenging. Kailangan namin maghanap ng iba't ibang paraan to fund our education and to make sure na matapos namin ito. Kaya minsan, habang naglalakad ako mula sa eskwelahan papunta sa aming bahay, 13 kilometro yun. Binuhos ko talaga yung puso ko sa Diyos ang reklamo ko. And after the blue, God answered my prayer. May jeep na dumaan at sabi niya, ang lakas ng sound. What am I living for if not for you? At mamayang konti, habang minemeditate ko siya, sabi niya, oh ano, what am I really living for? Bigla may dumaan na naman na jeep. And sabi niya, do you know where you are going? And alam niyo yung 2 linya ngayon, hindi ko man alam yung kanta. Talagang it made me seek God. Kaya nung binuksan ko yung Bible for the second time, actually the first time, hindi ko naintindihan. Itong second time, biglang nakita ko doon, therefore if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old has passed away, behold, the new has come. At doon ko naunawaan that when I got united with Jesus, na mayroon pala siyang magandang palatuntunan sa buhay ko. That everything He allows is for my good and for His glory. Kaya po, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil nagkaroon ako ng sense of direction at kaya naman, naging accountant po ako, nagkaroon akong sariling negosyo and eventually God called me into the ministry na naging pasanin ko pong ibahagi rin sa mga Pilipino na may pag-asa kay Jesus. Indeed, there are no limits where God's faithfulness will take you.